deficiency and PKU, because I can pronounce a little bit. Okay, so what is protein deficiency and what are the causes and effects? So that is simply someone who does not receive enough proteins and the person is not getting enough certain nutrients. That gives us energy, helps us strengthen our bones and prevent you from getting diseases. So that could cause serious health problems if you don't have that. So it causes inefficient production of blood plasma, proteins, as well as retention of fluids in certain tissues, notably the walls of intestines. So, yeah. So half of the children in developing countries die because of starvation. And malnutrition can lead to diseases such as kavaskur. That is, for example, when a mother has 2 children and she's, breastfeeding, and only one of the children can receive enough milk, and therefore the other one gets protein deficiency, and that could reduce growth, weight loss, disability, and other things. So, what can be done? It is usually not life-threatening in the short term, however, in the long term it is. So, a simple solution: eat more proteins. But, however, protein sources can be very expensive, so the solution is not that simple for developing countries. And so, what has been done is families have been taught to make proteins, for example in farming. So, how to raise chickens and introduce egg to their diets. So, high protein foods are, for example, beef, chicken, fish, pork, eggs, beans, and seeds. Okay. So, what is PKU and what can be done? What are the effects and what can be done? So, it's a genetic disease caused by a gene, chromosome 12. So, a specific enzyme is supposed to convert the essential amino acid to a different amino acid called the tyrosine. Yeah. Okay. So, however, people that have PKU cannot convert the follicular enzyme into the tyrosine enzyme. So when this happens, the body tries to eliminate the excess. Toxins are produced, which have very bad effects on brain development. So that children born with PKU have mental problems and learning difficulties. So, however, PKU can be diagnosed early with blood tests in birth. So, yeah, children with PKU have to follow special diets. For example, with low protein, to avoid the follicular. Yeah, I can't say this.
Phenylalanine.
Phenylalanine. Okay. So choose milk, meat, peanut, and cheese. Okay. Thank you very much.